Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful bronze goddess glowy look. I have used so many of my Anastasia Beverly Hills products for this look today. This is not a sponsored video, but I have so many products that I've acquired over time, and I wanted to put together kind of like a themed look for you. So I'm using as many products as possible from Anastasia Beverly Hills today. And even though I don't have every single step, I am using other products that are just my favorite. I love the products. So without further ado, let's get started. Let me show you how to create this beautiful look. First step is moisturizing my lips. I'm going in with Huda Beauty's Lip Balm in Blush. I have already moisturized my skin and applied my under eye cream. So my next step is the foundation primer. I'm using Laura Mercier. I love how the Laura Mercier foundation primer just glides over your skin as well. Next step is foundation. I am so excited to use this. This is the Anastasia Luminous Foundation. I picked this up this week. I'm in shade 220N. And I'm going to apply this with the MintPear Flat Top Kabuki brush. And I'm not sure how much I need, so let's go in with 2 pumps and see how that does. But I'm going to distribute this all over just in case. It's a little bit darker than my normal tone, and that's because I'm going into the summer months and I don't tan my face. So that's kind of how I counter when I tan the rest of my body with self tanner. If you wanted to stop right there, you totally can. I feel like I want to do a little bit more just to see how this layers, just to show you also that it's buildable. And to get a little bit more coverage, if you want a little bit more coverage, you can just keep going until you have that exact coverage level that you want. Look at this before I even put any setting powder on this. Look how beautiful. It really is luminous. It's just a healthy, beautiful glow. Let's go in with, that is so messy. But we are going in with the Cherry Blossom. I've made a mess of this. I use this every day. But look at this magic stuff. I love it. Color correcting concealer. This goes underneath your concealer. I'm taking the Angled Flat Precision, little MintPear Kabuki mini version, and I'm just gently pressing this in. And I'm marrying that with the foundation. I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Concealer. This is Cotton Candy. I don't know why I just said it that way. That's the placement that I'm using for this look today. Taking the same brush, just blending that right in. I actually like that it's a little bit lighter than the rest of my foundation, and it just gives that nice little highlight and it brightens that under eye area really nicely. Now we can set everything in place. I like to set the concealer under my eyes first so that it doesn't crease. So without smiling and doing all of this movement, I go in with the Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom Cake. I'm taking a little bit here and I'm just setting that in place. A little on the side of your nose. I don't use a ton, just enough to set that in place, and I brush off any excess as well. And this is how you really prevent getting those creases throughout the day. Look how nicely that sets that in place. Magic! Now you can smile. For the rest of my face, I'm setting everything in place with Huda Beauty Pound Cake. For this one, I'm taking a large powder brush and I'm just gonna go over my entire face. Today's bronzer is by Anastasia. I'm using this right here, this bronzer. This is the Italian Summer, which is so fitting for today's look. Look at this beautiful bronzed glow that it gives. It's a matte bronzer, so you're not gonna get any shimmer. Just keep that on the high point of your cheeks. Don't go too low. Keep it up here on the high point of your cheeks and back into your hairline. kind of downwards and up. Over the nose for that bronzed look. Kind of dust over the cheeks. And since we're going for that dewy, glowy summer look, you do want to make sure that you get some up into your hairline as well, where the natural sun would hit. And I just do little like swirls and then back. A little on the jawline. This is a new product. I just picked this up, but this is, oh, that was really fast. This one is a new product. I'm really excited to show you. This is the Stick Blush in Pink Dahlia from Anastasia Beverly Hills. But look how fun this is. It has a little mini kabuki. I'm excited to show you guys what this looks like. I'm going to go on the highest point. And I want to put a little bit on my nose, my eyes. So just gently going to kind of press this and blend it. I don't want to take off my foundation. Over the eye. Highlighter. And we're gonna go right over. And that's how we're gonna get that nice dewy glowy look. My brows are going to be by Anastasia today. This is Brow Wiz. And I'm in shade Taupe. Let's go over those brows with the Anastasia Brow Gel. Just a little bit. This stuff can be super dark. Sometimes you can grab too much. For eyes, I am dipping into the Soft Glam Anastasia palette, and this actually has the same velvety fabric as my blouse today, so I thought that was really perfect. So hopefully I can find some good colors in here. Ha! Soft Glam Anastasia Beverly Hills. Told you I wasn't gonna quit it with those voices. Let's take orange soda right here in this crease and just kind of do this, lift it, fan it out a little bit, give yourself a little bit of a lift with that placement, and I'll just take that down. As long as it's not too orange. I don't necessarily want to do an eyeliner on this look, so I'm just going to act like this is my liner today, and I'm going to drag this out just a little bit. Take it into the corner of my eye just a little bit, and then I'm just going to work this out with the brush and just blend this right into the lash line. I'm going to take the lightest shade right here in the corner. I'm going to go in with bronze with your finger, and I want this right in the center of my lid. Right over that and blend that into the crease. So I'm going to go in with Rustic, which is this one, and I just want to go right underneath my lash line on the lower lash line and take that all the way in and connect the two. Tarte. Let's talk about Tarte. I got this XL tubing mascara. Haven't tried it yet, so I might stab myself in the eyeball because I tend to do that with new mascara. Look at this wand though. Ooh. I think I really failed with this mascara, and maybe it's just me. Like, I don't know how to use tube mascara. I was excited to get it, but I think it's gonna take me a couple times. I don't think it looks good at all. Like, what's the secret? Can someone let me know? I don't know. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna throw on some lashes and hopefully that will save me. I'll be right back. I think I saved the look with some lashes. There's a lesson for you. So if you mess up your mascara, pop on some lashes and hopefully you can recover your look. But this look did go from like semi-glam to glam. with these lashes. You don't have to do that if you don't mess up your mascara. And again, I don't think it's the mascara. I think it's the user. I think it's me. I think I just need practice with this mascara. So to be continued. Anyways, moving on to lips. For this look, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is Dusty Rose. The lipstick I'm using today is a little bit lighter, so I want to really just fill in my corners and define this lip look. And the lip is also by Anastasia. This is Hush Pink, which is just a nice, soft, peachy pink. And when you concentrate the light, I can't today. When you concentrate your lighter lip shade in the center, it really makes it pop out. I mean, is anyone gonna be able to concentrate in this entire tutorial? Going in with Anastasia Soft Pink Lip Gloss. I know we're having too much fun. You don't want this to end. This is just going to complete that nice, glowy, beautiful, fresh bronze summer look. Oh, so good. You could even wear this into the fall. Oh, there's a clip in the back. Oh! And this is the final and completed look. What do you guys think? We made it to the end of this tutorial. Oh my goodness, let me know which products were your favorite on today's look. Also, if you have any questions about any of these products, I'm always happy to respond to your comments and your questions. If you haven't yet, make sure that you've subscribed to my channel. I appreciate your love and support, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Take care.